Welcome to the online video lecture on Analog and Digital Electronics Laboratory. Experiment number 10. Experiment name: Implementation of adder and subtractor circuit. Implementation of adder and subtractor circuit. We are going to see half adder, full adder, half subtractor and full subtractor circuits. The first one is half adder circuit. The block diagram of the half adder circuit. A and B are input and sum and carry is output. The truth table of the half adder circuit: input is A and B, output is sum and carry out. There are two input, so 2 power 2 equal to 4 combination, so 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. For 0 0 input, sum is 0 and carry is 0. For addition of 0 plus 1, sum is 1 and carry is 0. For 1 plus 0, sum is 1 and carry is 0. For 1 plus 1, sum is 0 and carry is 1. For the KMF for the sum and carry of half-adder circuit, the first one is sum. For the 0 0 input, sum is 0. For 0 1 input, sum is 1. Similarly, for 1 0 input, sum is 1. 1 1 combination of the input, sum is 0. Now, to simplify this one, so this minterm will be grouped. Similarly, for this also, one will be separately grouped. For this one, A bar B plus A B bar. So this is the sum equation. The expression for the sum is A B bar plus A bar B. For this expression, I can able to write it A XOR B. Similarly, for the carry, came up for the carry. For 0 0 input, carry is 0. For 0 1 input, carry is 0. For 1 0 input, carry is 0. The last combination 1 1 input, carry is 1. So 1 1 input, carry is 1. Now simplification of this one. So here only one is there, so that I am going to group this single one. For this, the expression for the carry is C equal to A into B. So this is the expression for sum and carry. To implement this one is in the logic diagram. So the logic diagram of the half adder using the basic XOR gate. So 7486 is an IC number of XOR gate. A and B is input. So the input is given to the 7486. The third pin will be the first and second pin will be the input, and third pin will be the output. Next here, to implement a carry, AND gate is required. The AND gate IC is 7408. So the input is A, one is input A, second pin is input B. So 1 and 2 is input and third pin is output. So here carry out equal to A into B. So this is the circuit diagram of half-adder circuit. The next one is half subtractor circuit. This is the block diagram of the half subtractor. There are two input, A and B are input, and the output is difference and bound. The truth table for the half subtractor. So the input is here A and B, output is difference and bound. Again it is two input, so 2 power 2 equal to 4 combination, so 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. It is like subtractor is subtracting both the input A minus B. 0 minus 0, difference is 0 and borrow is also 0. 0 minus 1, difference is 1 and borrow is 1. For 1 minus 0, difference is 1 and borrow is 0. The last input combination 1 1, 1 minus 1. Difference is 0 and borrow is also 0. Now I'm going to implement in Carnap map and I'm going to simplify this one. The first one is difference. Came up for the difference and borrow of the of subtractor. Actually this input is 0 and this is 1 and this is 0. Similarly this is also 0 and this one is 1. For the 0 0 input, difference is 0, this one is 0. For 0 1 input, difference is 1. 1 0 input, difference is 1. For 1 1 input, difference is 0. Again for grouping of this one, so separately I have to group for this. If I will group this one, then what is the expression I will get here? A bar B plus A B bar. Again it is XOR gate. So this is the expression for the difference. A bar B plus A B bar. So I can write it like A XOR B. The next one is here came up implementation for borrow. Similarly this is also 0, this is 1, this is 0 and 1, because here only a single bit, so 0 and 1, it's not 0 0. Okay. For 0 0 input, borrow is 0. For 0 1 input combination, borrow is 1. For 1 0 input, borrow is 0. For 1 1 input, borrow is 0. Now I'm going to group for the number of ones. Here only a single one is possible, so that the equation will be here A bar B. So B0 equal to A bar B. So this is the expression for them, difference and borrow. So the implementation of subtractive circuit using the logic gates. 7486 is a XOR gate. So gate number 1, pin number 1 and 2 input is given, and third pin will be the output. This will be the difference, and the borrow out is A bar B. So I can tap it from here A, but I need output is A bar, so that I'm going to use one inverter IC. The inverter IC number is 7404. The first pin is input and second pin is output. So this A bar and the second pin is B is connected to the AND gate. 7408 is the IC number of AND gate, and third pin will be the output. So this is the logic diagram for of subtractor using basic gates. The next one is full adder circuit. The block diagram of full adder. There are 3 input A, B, C in. There are 3 input A, B, C in, and the output is sum and carry out. This is C out. So these are the input, and sum and C out will be the output of the full adder circuit. Now this is the input, the truth table of the full adder inputs, and this will be the output. So A, B, C in is input, sum and carry out will be the output point. Okay. Now here 3 input, so 2 power 3 equal to 8 combinations. So it starts from the input is 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1 combination. It is like addition, 0 plus 0 plus 0, sum is 0 and carry is 0. 0 plus 0, 0, again adding with 1, so sum is 1 and carry is 0. So 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, sum is 1, carry is 0. 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, sum is 0 and carry out will be 1. For 1, 0, 1 plus again added with 0, sum is 1, carry is 0. Next input combination is 1, 0, 1. So 1 plus 0, 1, again will be added with 1. So that sum is 0 and carry is 1. Here also 1 plus 1, sum is 0 and carry is 1. Last input combination 1 plus 1, 0, 1 and again it will be added with 1. So that sum is 1 and carry is 1. This is the truth table for the full ladder circuit. For this K map for the sum expression, so the input is here A and B, C in. So 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. For the 0, 0, 0 input, sum is 0. For 0, 0, 1 input, sum is 1. For 0, 1, 1, sum is 0. For 0, 1, 0, sum is 1. The input of 1, 0, 0, sum is 1. The input of 1, 0, 1, sum is 0. The input of 1, 1, 0, sum is 0. The last input is 1, 1, 1 combination, sum is 1. So here again I need to simplify this one. So single one only it is possible to group it. Okay. For this one is A bar, B bar, C in, plus for this one is A bar, B, C in bar. For this one is A, B bar, C in. For this one is A, B, C in. So this is the equation. For this C in is common. If I take C in is common, then AB plus A bar, B bar, plus similarly here C in bar is common. If I take C in bar, then AB bar plus A bar B, right? So this equation is C in A, this is X NOR expression, so the complement of X R, so C in into A, XR B the complement, plus C in bar into A XR B. This expression finally I can able to write A XR B XR C in. So the sum expression is S equal to A XR B XR C in. The next one is for the carry out. Similarly here also A, B, C in is the input. Zero, 0, 0 is the input. The carry is 0. So just fill this table into this Karnappna. The cell value is 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. For this, cell number 3 is 1, cell number 5 is 1, 6 is 1, and 7 is 1. This is the cell number 3, 5, this is 6 and 7. So these are the cell places 1. The remaining cells are 0. Now I am going to group it. So here this is one pair, we can able to group it. Similarly this is one more pair and this is one more pair. So that I will be getting the equation is C out is AB plus AC in plus BC in. This is the expression for the carry. Now logic diagram of full adder using basic XOR gate. So two off adder circuit will be used. This is my first off adder circuit. So A and B are input. The adder circuit, off adder circuit, output is sum and carry. Next off adder circuit, the first off adder circuit sum is connected to the input of the second off adder circuit. Here this will be the output will be a sum, and the carry of this second off adder circuit and the first off adder circuit, these two carry is connected to OR gate. One more input C in is connected to the input of the second off adder circuit. So the output of this one will be like sum equal to A. The input of this one is A XOR B A XOR B again XOR C. Now the carry of the first off order circuit and second off order circuit will be connected to OR gate, and the third pin is the final carry out. The expression for the carry out will be AB plus AC in plus BC in. The next one is in the logic diagram. So in the off order circuit is replaced with 17486 XOR gate and 7408 AND gate. So as we know that the first pin and second pin is connected to the input of the XOR, and third pin will be the output, and here the A and B are input, just tap it into given into the AND gate 7408. Third pin will be the output of this AND gate carry. Now this sum is connected to the second off order circuit. So here 7486. The fifth pin, one more input is connected to C in. The sixth pin is output of the final expression sum. This final expression for this one is A XOR B XOR C. Now similarly here also fourth pin and fifth pin is just tapped and connected to the 7408 AND gate. It is connected to the pin number 4, 5, 6 because we know right already in the pin diagram we are seeing. So there are 4 gates and all 4 gates we can able to use it for one IC, right? The pin diagram we are seeing in the basic digital logic circuits. And the sixth pin is connected to the 7432 OR gate, and this third pin of the AND gate is connected to the second pin of the OR gate. The third pin is output of the carry. The expression for the carry is AB plus AC in plus BC in. this is the block diagram. For this, using 17486 IC, we can implement this logic diagram. Similarly, for the 7408, also only one IC is required, and 7432. So the required IC for this full adder circuit is 17486 IC and 7408, 7432. The last one is full subtractor. The block diagram of the full subtractor circuit is A, B, B in. These three are the input, and D difference, and borrow out. These two are the output. Again it is 3 input, so 2 power 3 equal to 8 combination of the input. The input is A, B, B in, output, difference, and borrow. So just subtraction of this one, A minus B in. For the 0, 0, 0 input, difference is 0, borrow is 0. 0 minus 0, 0, again 0 minus 1. We are saying that 0 minus 1 is, the difference is 1 and borrow is also 1. Similarly here 0 minus 1, difference is 1 and borrow is 1. Again we subtracted with 0, so difference is 1 and borrow is 0. 0 minus 1, difference is 1 and borrow is 1. Again we have to subtract with this one, so that difference is 0 and borrow is 1. For example, for this one, 0 minus 1, difference is 1 and borrow is 1. Again we are subtracting with 1, so that difference is 0 and borrow is 1. That's what this difference is 0 and borrow is 1. For 1 minus 0, 1, again 1 minus 0, 1, so difference is 1, borrow is 0. 1 minus 0, difference is 1 and borrow is 0. Again it is minus 1, so 1 minus 1, both difference and borrow is 0. Again this is 1 minus 1, difference is 0, borrow is also 0. 1 minus 1, both difference and borrow is 0. Again will be subtracted with minus 1, that means 0 minus 1 is, difference is 1, borrow is 1. Right? Okay. The next one is KMF for the difference of full subtractor. So 3 input A, B, C. Or the input I have taken here A, B, B in. So this is A, B, B in, whatever the combinations. Okay, let me take this as B and B in itself. Similarly here also A, B and B in. Okay. For 0, 0, 0 input, difference is 0, 0. For 0, 0, 1 input, difference is 1. For 0, 1, 0 input, difference is 1. For 1, 0, 0 input, difference is 1. For 1, 1, 1 input, difference is 1. Again this is similar to the full adder circuit, right? So individually I have to group it. For this expression is A bar, B bar, B in. For this one is A bar, B, B in bar. Similarly for this one is A, B bar, B in. So the last one is here A, B, B in. So the expression is here A XOR B XOR B in. So this is the expression for the difference. Next one is K-map or borrow or full subtractor. Check the number of check the ones which input is 1. So for the first cell value 1, second cell value 1, third cell value is 1, and seventh cell value is 1. So just place this one. So group this one. For this I can form it as a one pair. Similarly this is also one more pair, and this is also one more. That means 3 product terms, right? For this one, if I will group these 2 cells, then I will get it here A bar. For this one, B in. If I will group these two once, the equation I will be getting here B into B. For the last one is here, if I group these two once for the pair, then the expression I will get it here A bar. For this one is B. So that is the expression for the borrow. The logic diagram of full subtractor using XOR and basic gates. So there are 2 of subtractor is required. So this is the first of subtractor and this is the second of subtractor. It is similar circuit diagram of or logic diagram of full adder circuit, except here one NOT gate will be used. Okay. So A and B is the input of the first of subtractor circuit. The output of the first of subtractor is difference and borrow. This difference is given input to the second of subtractor circuit, and one more input is B in is connected to the of subtractor 2. The output of the of subtractor 2 is difference, and this borrow, this is borrow 2, this borrow 2 and borrow 1 both are connected to OR gate. So this is my final borrow out. So to implement this full subtractor circuit, 4 logic ICs are required. One is XOR, second one is AND gate, and third one is NOT gate, the last one is OR gate. So these are the ICs are required. So the logic diagram: XOR gate 7486, 1 and 2 pin is connected to the input, and third pin is difference. This third pin output is connected to the input of the fourth pin of the XOR, and fifth pin is connected to the one more input B in, so that A, B, B in. These are the 3 input combinations. And 7486 sixth pin is connected to them. Sorry, 6th pin is output, that will be the difference. And here first subtractor circuit is connected to the NOT gate 7404. That is this, the input of this is A and output will be here A bar, and the second pin is connected to the B, so A bar B. The output of the first borrow is A bar B, so that will be connected input of the OR gate. Similarly for 4 and 5 is input. This fourth pin of the XOR is connected to third pin of NOT gate. The output of this point is fourth pin is connected to the 7408, and similarly for this B in is connected here. Now these two are input to the AND gate, 6th pin is output, this output of the 74086 pin is connected to the input of the 7432 OR gate. For the 7432 OR gate, 1 and 2 is input, third pin is output. The expression for the borrow is A bar B plus B in into A X naught B, right? This is the expression. The next one is I'm going to implement this circuit in we'll see that software implementation. Software implementation. I'm going to implement this circuit diagram in CircuitWiz software. It is an online simulator, CircuitWiz. Just click on this CircuitWiz. Already we are implemented study of basic digital ICs. The left side, circuit elements, input, output, gates, decoder, multiplexer, sequential element, test bench, and MISC. These are the options are available. First, I am going to select the logic gates. Okay, first I am going to implement of adder circuit. For that, what are the components are required? One XOR gate and one AND gate. So just place the cursor here. It will tell you that what is the gate name. This is OR gate. AND gate is required. Okay, so place the AND gate. Next one is this is XOR gate, and this one will be the AND gate. Okay, how many inputs? There are two input. So input, there are two input. Select the input like this. Now I am going to check the output. So how to check the output? By using this digital LED. So there are two output, so that I am selecting here for two LED. So how to give the connection? So for the XOR, so this is the operator circuit already we know. This is the logic diagram of the operator circuit. Okay, so this circuit only I am going to implement. So just connect it here. Now 1 and 2 are input, and this is the output pin is connected to the LED. For the AND gate, 2 input, 1 output. So this output is connected to again LED. The AND gate input is connected like this, second, mean this AND gate. Okay. This first input is connected like this, and the second input is connected like this. The output of the AND gate is connected to the LED. Now this is my sum, and this will be the carry. Now I'm going to verify the truth table. What is the truth table of the operator circuit? 0 0 input, sum is 0 and carry is 0. 0 1 input, sum is 1, carry is 0. 1 0 input, sum is 1 and carry is 0. 1 1 input, sum is 0 and carry is 1. So this is the truth table I'm going to verify. For the 0 0 input, sum is 0 and carry is 0. The next 0 1 combination of the input, sum is 1 and carry is 0. The next one is 1 0 input, sum is 1 and carry is 0. The last combination of the input 1 1, sum is 0 and carry is 1. That means in the truth table, if any one of the input is high, sum is 1. If both the inputs are high, then sum is 0 and carry is 1. Okay. So this is the verification of adder circuit. The next one is verification of subtractor circuit. For this one, the truth table will be like this. So again, 2 input and 2 output. The logic diagram for this one is Z-wide 7486, and similarly for the 7408, one more gate will be added here, NOT gate 7404. So the same circuit diagram, only the input of this A is connected to the NOT gate and the NOT gate output is connected to the AND gate. So the circuit diagram here, I need one NOT gate, so I will take it like this and I will place this. Okay, so just I'm going to delete this wire because it's like a short circuit. Okay, that is fine. So now this circuit will be, now this is the circuit for the of subtractor. 17486 XOR gate, 7408 AND gate, 7404 NOT gate. These are the logic gates are required to implement the of subtractor circuit. The truth table for this one is for the 0 0, output of the difference and borrow is 0. That's what we are seeing here. Both the inputs are 0 0. This is the difference and this one is borrow. So both the output is 0 0. The next input combination is 0 1. So difference is 1 and borrow is 1. Let me check. 0 1 is the input. So difference is also high and borrow is also high. Next combination of the input is 1 0. For 1 0, according to the truth table, difference is 1 and borrow is 0. That's what this difference is 1 and borrow is 0. The last combination 1 1, difference is 0 as well as borrow is 0 because 1 minus 1 0. So the verification of subtractor circuit. Next one is verification of full adder circuit. Next one is verification of full adder circuit. Verification block diagram of the full adder circuit. So here two half adder circuit is required and one OR gate is required. So I am going to implement this in the software. So I don't want this NOT gate, so just I remove this one. Okay, so this is my first half adder circuit. Next, similarly I need one more half adder circuit. So that means this is my second one, second half adder circuit, and one OR gate is also required. So this is my final. Okay, so this is my first half adder circuit. Now one more input is required. So the input of this will be connected to the XOR gate, and this first half adder circuit output is connected to the input of the second one. The next one is these two input is connected to AND gate. Now this output is connected to the OR gate. Similarly, this carry output is connected to the OR gate. To check the output condition, I need two LED. And this is for one more LED. This is for sum and this one is for bar. Check the truth table. The truth table of the full adder circuit. For 0 0 0 input, both sum and carry is 0. That's what 0 0 0 input, both sum and carry is 0. For 0 0 1 input, see any one of the input is high, then sum is high, right? Sum is 1 and carry is 0. The next input combination is 0 1 0 0 1 0. Again here any one of the input is high, then sum is 1 and carry is 0. Next input combination is 0 1 1. So 1 plus 1, sum is 0 and carry is 1. Sum is 0 and carry is 1. The next input combination is 1 0 0. So only one input is high, so that sum is high and carry is 0. Next input combination is 1 0 1. So here both the inputs are high, so that sum is 0 and carry is 1. Next input combination is 1 1 0 1 1 0. So both the inputs are high, so that sum is 0 and carry is 1. The last input combination is 1 1 1. So for this, sum is 1 and carry is 1. That's it. Verified for the truth table for full adder circuit. Next one is verification of full subtractor circuit. The same circuit, here one NOT gate is used. Similarly here also one NOT gate will be used. Okay, so just I'll select this NOT gate. I'm going to place it here. Similarly for one more NOT gate. This is already short circuited, so that delete this wire. Similarly here also. Okay, that's it. Now I'm going to verify the truth table for full subtractor circuit. This is the truth table for the full subtractor. For 0030 input combination, this is difference and this one is borrow. Both are 00. For 001, for the 001, 001, difference is 1, borrow is 1. That's what you are saying here. Difference is 1 and borrow is 1. Next input combination is 0, 1, 0. Again, difference is 1 and borrow is 1. The next input combination is 0, 1, 1. For this one is 0 minus 1 is 1, 1. Again subtract with this one, so that the difference is 0 and borrow is 1. The next input combination is 1, 0, 0. For 1, 0, 0, difference is 1 and borrow is 0. Next input combination is 1, 0, 1. So 1 minus 1, difference is 0 as well as borrow is also 0. Next input combination is 1, 1, 0. For this 1 minus 1, 0. So difference is 0 and borrow is also 0. The last input combination is 1, 1, 1. For this difference is 1 as well as borrow is also 1, because 1 minus 1, 0, 0 minus 1, so difference is 1 and borrow is 1. So according to the truth table, we have verified the full subtractor circuit. The next one is hardware implementation. Implementation of adder subtractor circuit. First we will see the adder circuit. So the required components are 7486 XOR gate and 7408 AND gate. So placed here for XOR gate and here AND gate. Now I'm going to do the connection. The first pin is connected to the input. Second pin is connected to the input. Third pin is output pin. So this is sum. The first output of this one is sum. So here 7th pin is connected to the ground. 14th pin is connected to VCC. Similarly for the power supply, 7th pin is connected to ground. 14th pin is connected to VCC supply. Here for the AND gate, 1 and 2 are connected to input. So already XOR gate I have connected the input here 1 and 2. Just I am going to tap it here and going to do the connection for the 1. And the AND gate input is just I am going to tap it here. Similarly for the second input, second input is connected to the second point of the XOR gate. Next, AND gate output is connected to the second pin of this output. Now this first pin is sum output, and second one is carry out. So the first 0-0 combination, output is sum as well as carry is 0. So 0-1 combination, first 0-0 combination of the input, output is sum equal to 0, carry is 0. For 0-0 input, sum is 0 and carry is 0. For 0-1 input, sum is 1 and carry is 0. For 1-0 input, sum is 1 and carry is 0. For 1-1 input, sum is 0 and carry is 1. This is the verification of the off-order circuit. Next one is verification of full adder circuit. Implementation of full adder circuit. The components required for the full adder circuit: on XOR gate 7486 IC, on AND gate 7408 IC, on OR gate 7432 IC. For the 7486 XOR gate, it has 4 XOR gate IC. Similarly, AND gate also and OR gate also. Now I am going to give the connection for the 7486. So for the full adder circuit, 3 input A, B and C in. So 3 input, 1, this is logic input section, second input, and this is the third input. The first input is connected to the XOR gate pin number 1, and second input is connected to the XOR gate second pin, and these two input is connected to the AND gate input of 1 and 2. AND gate input 1. AND gate input 2. Now the output of the XOR gate pin number 3 is connected to the XOR gate of 4. The output of the AND gate third pin is connected to OR gate pin number 2. Now the XOR gate 4 and 5 inputs are connected to AND gate 4 and 5. One more input is connected to the pin number 5. Now from this pin number 5 to AND gate pin number 5. AND gate pin number 6 is connected to OR gate pin number 1. Now I need to connect for the output sum and carry out. For the sum, output is XOR gate pin number 6. This is the sum output. Next one is carry output from the OR gate pin number 3. I have given the connection. Now I need to give the power supply to the each pin. So VCC supply, 14th pin is connected to VCC and 7th pin is connected to ground. Similarly for the AND gate, 7th pin is connected to ground. Fourteenth pin is connected to VCC. The last one is for the OR gate input supply. 7th pin is connected to ground. Fourteenth pin is connected to VCC. As per the circuit diagram, I've given the connection. Now I'm going to verify the truth table. This is my A input. The output verification of the full adder circuit.
Okay.
The verification of the full adder circuit. From the truth table, I am going to verify the circuit. This is A input, B input, C input, sum and carry out. The first combination of 0, 0, 0 input, sum is 0 and carry is 0. Next one is input is 0, 0, 1. For this, sum is 1 and carry is 0. Sum is 1 and carry is 0. The sum you can able to see that here LED is glowing, whereas in the C out LED is off. Next 0, 1, 0 combination. 0, 1, 0 combination. The sum is 1 and carry is 0. The next one is 0, 1, 1. The input is 0, 1, 1. For the input of 0, 1, 1, sum is 0 and carry is 1. Sum is 0 and carry is 1. See that in the carry, LED is glowing now. Next input combination is 1, 0, 0. The input combination is 1, 0, 0. Sum is 1 and carry is 0. Sum is 1 and carry is 0. Next input combination 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1. So in this, sum is 0 and carry is 1. Sum is 0 and carry is 1. Next input combination 1, 1, 0. For the 1, 1, 0, sum is 0 and carry is 1. Sum is 0 and carry is 1. The last combination of the input is 1, 1, 1. For this, sum is 1 and carry is 1. Sum is 1 and carry is 1. So this is the verification of full adder circuit using XOR and OR gate. Thank you. The next one is hardware implementation of subtractor circuit. The components are required 7486 XOR gate and 7408 AND gate and 7404 NOT gate. These are the ICs are required to implement of subtractor circuit. So I am going to give the connection. For this one is XOR gate. So first I am going to give the power supply. For the ground terminal is connected to the 7th pin. Similarly here 14th pin is connected to VCC. For the AND gate, 7th pin is connected to the ground. 14th pin is connected to the VCC supply. Similarly for the NOT gate, 7th pin is connected to ground. 14th pin is connected to VCC supply. For the off subtractor circuit, it requires 2 input. So this is the logic input section. So I will take it from here for the input. This first pin is connected to 7486 XOR gate and second pin also. Next, these two input. So first input is connected to the NOT gate. This is my NOT gate first input pin, and the output pin of the second pin is connected to the AND gate second pin. And one more input is connected to AND gate. Now I need to check the output from this third pin of the XOR gate. It's connected to the output section for this difference, and borrow is connected to the AND gate third pin. So the first one is difference, second one is borrow. These are the outputs. Now the input is here, logic input is connected here. Now I am going to check the output. So switch on power on this one. For the 0 0 input, the output of the off subtractor is difference is 0 as well as borrow also 0. Next one is 0 1 combination. For the 0 1, the output is 1 1. That means difference is 1 and borrow is 1. The next combination is 1 0. For the 1 0, the output is difference is 1 and borrow is 0. The last input combination 1 1. For the 1 1 combination, both difference as well as borrow is 0. So it's verified for the off subtractor circuit. The components are required 7486. The next one is verification of full subtractor circuit. Implementation of full subtractor circuit. The components are required 7486 XOR gate IC and 7408 AND gate IC and 7404 NOT gate IC and 7432 OR gate IC. So these are the components are required. First I am going to give the power supply for all the ICs. So the power supply for the 7th pin is connected to ground. The 14th pin is connected to VCC. Now I have connected the power supply for the XOR gate IC. Similarly for all the ICs I am going to connect the power supply. Now this VCC supply is connected to 7404 IC. For the ground, 7th pin is connected. Next for the OR gate, 7th pin is connected to ground. And 14th pin is connected to VCC. Now I have connected for the VCC and ground supply to them all the ICs. Now I am going to give them input connection. For the full subtractor circuit, there are 3 input. So this is the input section. This is my second input, A and B. Next input is B in. These are the 3 inputs. Now the first input is connected to the, according to the circuit, the first input is connected to the XOR gate 1 and second input is connected to XOR gate second pin. Next one is the first input is connected to NOT gate. This is my 7404 NOT gate IC. Pin number 1 is connected here. So this second pin is output. This second pin is output. this output is connected to the 7408 AND gate IC. Next, one more input is connected to AND gate second pin. So now I have connected the 1 and 2 of the XOR gate input, and similarly for the AND gate 1 and 2 is connected. Now third pin is difference. Third pin of the XOR gate is difference, that is connected to the fourth pin of the XOR gate again. So this is the third pin and fourth pin is connected. Now fifth pin is connected to the one more input here. The third input is connected to the fifth pin. AND gate third pin is connected to OR gate second pin. Now one more NOT gate is required. So here 4 and 5. This fourth pin is connected to NOT gate. Now this NOT gate output is connected to fourth pin of AND gate. Now this fifth pin of the AND gate is connected to fifth pin of the XOR gate. Now I have connected the second XOR gate, 4 and 5 is connected. Similarly this is also connected. Now sixth pin is output. Now sixth pin is the output. So this is my difference output. I will connect it here. The next output is third pin, the OR gate. So still first pin of the OR gate is connected to sixth pin of the AND gate. That's it. I've given the connection. Now we'll see that output verification. So the first one is difference. So as per the circuit diagram, I've given the connection. Now I'm going to verify the truth table. For the 00 input, difference and borrow is 0. Next input combination is 001. For the 001 combination, the output is difference is 1 and borrow is 1. See here the difference is 1 and borrow is 1. The next input combination is 2. So 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. For this output is difference is 1 and borrow is 1. Next one is 3, 0, 1, 1. Input combination, the output is 0, 1. So that means difference is 0, borrow is 1. Next one is 4, 1, 0, 0 combination. The input is 1, 0, 0 combination. The output is 1, 0. That means difference is 1 and borrow is 0. The next input combination is 5, 1, 0, 1. For 1, 0, 1, both the outputs are 0. Both the outputs are 0. Next, the input combination is 6, 1, 1, 0. For the 1, 1, 0, the output is both difference and borrow is 0. Yes, it is 0. The last input combination is 7, so 1, 1, 1. So in this, difference is 1 and borrow is 1. Difference is 1 and borrow is 1. That's it. Verify the truth table. Thank you.